Hey Osman, it's Max. This is the video that I promised I would send to you, completely free. All that I ask in return is just a little bit of feedback, maybe your thoughts, or if you have any questions, just a little something so that we can, I don't have to keep calling you that way. Oh, right. And so the general gist here is taking your website and ranking it in Google where there's lots of searches for particular keywords. So I can show you this here. There are approximately, 250 to 280 people every month searching for painters in Augusta, Georgia. And so if we had your website ranking here in this map pack or organically #1 overall, you could bring in a lot more customers than you are right now. And that would just help you grow and bring a lot more money in and then grow your business. Okay. So today I'm going to show you three main ways that you can kind of adjust your website so that it starts ranking in Google. Okay. So the first thing is content on your home page. So if we take everything that you see here and copy it, including all these images and what they're saved as, okay, and we copy it and we throw it into this word counter, shows me that you guys have 109 words on your home page. Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and they would like these particular keywords sprinkled throughout your homepage. That way it just makes it more relevant to the search that's being searched, okay? The second thing is backlinks. And what a backlink is basically one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance, okay? So if we take this URL here and throw it into Ahrefs again, this shows me the back end of your website. And as you can tell, your website health is pretty decent. You have 6 backlinks coming from 2 different websites. What that tells me is that a good start, to everything. And obviously your trust flow, that's what this is by Google, is really good right now because you have a Google site. However, it's not ranking because of your content, and the Google sites kind of hold you back a little bit from the content. Okay. The third and final thing that I'm going to show you today is citations. And really all a citation is the business name, business address, and business phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, which makes your kind of business more verified. And then that helps this Google My Business page start ranking in Google here. Okay. Your competition has about like 40, like 38 to 40 citations. So, if you went in there and got 60 or 80 of them, then you could get your Google My Business page to start ranking here in this Google Map Pack. And then you would also be bringing in a lot more leads because not only are you more verified in Google's eyes, but also in the consumer's eyes. Okay. So that's really all I have for you today. I hope that this was informative and helpful. And again, all I ask in return is just a little bit of feedback. Let me know your thoughts, or if you have any questions, you can just email or call me back. So thanks for your time.